Yeah, today we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims quantitative aptitude grand test 46. We'll go for the discussion. Let's see the first one. Here we have a directions based on the 41 to 45. It is a what is the next number in the series. So as per the logic, look at here. So 36 to 252, it is a into 7. Here is multiplied by, here is multiplied 3, here is multiplied 4, and here is multiplied 6, here is multiplied 5. It is into 6 into 5. So 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12. That means more than 1200 we an option we required, and last digit is 2. Only one option is there. That option is B. Next one, 75, 79 plus 4 and minus 9 and plus 16 and minus 25, and here we should add it plus 36. Plus 36 added to 61, our answer is so 97. Our option is none of this. Next, 7 6 10 27 104. Here is into 1 plus 1, here into 2 minus 2, into 3 minus 3, it is a minus 1. So here into 4 minus 4. Here is we can write into 5 minus 5. 104 into 5, 520. 520 minus 5, 515. Our option is D. Question number is 44. 16, 23, 28, 38, 49 question mark. So look at the what is the logic for this question. 16 to 23. How much difference? It is a 7 difference. 7 is 1 plus 6 value 7, and here is 23 to 28 difference is 5. This 5 is come out from 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 8 10. 10 is added to 38. 28 is equal to 38. And next 8 plus 3 it is 11. 11 added to so 38 will get answer is 49. As it is here is also we should add 9 plus 4 is equal to here then 13. 13 is added to 49. Our answer is 62. Question number is 45. 147 to 148 difference is 1. 148 to 150 difference is 2. 150 to 159 difference is 9. And 159 to 223 difference is here. So 41 plus 23 it is a 64. Here then what is the next number? The logic is here. So 1 power 0 and 2 power 1 and 3 power 2 and 4 power 3. That means next should be what? 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 value 625. This 625 is added to 223. Our answer is 848. Our option is D. Next we have a directions based on the quadratic equations. Look at here 84 we can write 12 7s are it is a minus minus, and here 49 we can write minus 7 and minus 7, and comparing the relations here is comparing to 12 to minus 7, 12 is a bigger, here is equal, then answer we can say x greater than or equal to y. Our option is C. Next here third root of 64 we can write 4x square which is equal to 8. 4 and it is 2, and x square is equal to means x is equal to plus or minus 1.414 will get. And look at these are the bigger numbers. These bigger numbers will get bigger factors comparing to 1 point something. Then we can easily say our answer is x less than y. Our option is B. Question number is 48. First equation is constant value is minus 15. Here is minus 12. Constant values are both are negative. Answer is always cannot be determined. Our option is E. Next, x cube minus 169 x is equal 0. Here is x will be going to cancel. Then x square is equal 169, x is equal to plus 13 comma minus 13, and y cube is equal to 2197, y is equal to will get 13. 13 equal minus 13 is the smaller than plus 13. That means we can write x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y. Our option is D. Go for the next one. Here is 957. This 957 I am separating with 11. 11 8 ja and 11 7 ja. And we'll write 29 3 ja. And 3 into 11 finally we can write 33 and 29. But we need plus. But final factors are both are minus. 33 plus 29 is equal 62. And here minus 115. So minus 155. Here separating with 11. 11 ones are and 11 fives are, and 105 also we can separate with 15 sevens are. Then 15 we can write 5 into 3 into 7. This 3 will be multiplied to 11, which is equal to 33. 5 sevens are 35. We need what? Minus 2. That means here minus 35 plus 33, but final factors are minus 33 plus 35. Then here we should compare it. What is the result? Here which is equal, and here which is bigger, and here big. Then one less than one greater than means our relation is what? Cannot be established. Next we have a simplification based on the approximation. 1576 divided by 7 plus 125 into 5 1 by 5 x is equal to 2457 divided by 11. Then 11 twos are 22, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are. It is a 223 I am taking roughly. Here calculating values. 7 twos are 14 and 1 7 7 twos are 14 and remaining value is 36 7 fives are. And 5 25. 225 plus 25 250. 250 added to 223 which is equal to 473. Our option is A. Next 150 percentage of 1448. 150 percentage of 150 percentage of 1448 plus 12 percentage of 25025 x percentage of 900. This is the overall question. We should simplify. Each and every term is cancelled with 3. Cancel with 3 here. 3 300s and 3 4s and 3 50s. Now we required 50 percentage of 1448. 50 percentage of 1448 724 and 4 will be multiplied and percentage also. Look at 425 is a 100. 425 is a 100. Finally we will get 1001 and x percentage of, here the percentage and 2 zeros cancel, will get 3x. And 1001724 which is equal to x is equal to 1725 which is divisible by 3. 3 how many times? 3 5s are 15, remaining is 22. Here 3 7s are and 3 5s are. Then finally our answer is 575. Our option is D. Next 169 to the power of 2.202. 169 we can write 13. We write the 13 multiples. 13 to the power of 4 and 13 cube, it is a 13 to the power of 6, and we can write 13 to the power of 4 all to the power of, they are given 0.25. This 0.25 we can write what? 1 by 4 which is equal to 13 to the power of x. 4 will be cancelled and 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 1 11. X is equal to what is the option? D option. Next question. 9.989 is given. 9.99 means 10. 10 cube value is 1000. Minus 23.94 means 24. 24 square value is 576. Plus 4.99 means 5. 5 to the power of 4 value 625. Plus 2 square value is 4 which is equal to x. And what is the answer here? Look at, so 576 is removing from the 625. Here is what is the value? 24 plus 25 49. 49 plus 4 53. 53 added to 1000, it is a 1053. The x is equal to 1053. X is equal to 1053 is near to which option? A, 1050. Our option is A. Next 449.97 we can write 450 by 15 plus 208 by 8 minus 16 is equal to x. 15 it is a 30s and 3 8 how many times? 8 to the 16, remaining is 48. 26. 26 minus 16 10. 10 plus 30 40. Our option is C. Next, we have a question 56th one. The respective ratio of milk and water mixture is 16 is to 11. 20 liters of milk added. The left side value. So 20 liters milk is added. The mixture, the respective ratio milk and water become 20 is to 11. So 16 becomes 20. 16 become 20. 16 కాస్త 20 అయిందంటే ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ యాడ్ చేశాడు? 4 పార్ట్స్ యాడ్ చేశాడు. 4 పార్ట్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ని లీటర్స్? 20 లీటర్స్ ఇంటూ 5. So now we need the initial value. So మొదటి వాల్యూ కావాలి, quantity of water in the original mixture value. So 16 plus 11, 16 plus 11 original, it is a 27 parts. 27 into 5. 520 is a 100, 5 7 is a 35. Initial value is how many liters? 135 liters. E option. Next, here Raj invested 2400, so 24,000 x months, and Suman invested 20,000 for 3 months more than the Raj. That means it is a x plus 3. And next, Tushar invested 16,000 into x plus 3 months more than the Suman, means x plus 6. They are all are in a ratio. So if difference between the shares of Tushar and Rajat is 4,200, out of total profit is how much rupees? 34,200. So 4,200 by 34,200. It is a 0000 cancel. 6 7 ja, 6 5 ja, and 6 7 ja, 7 by 57. Difference between, so Tushar and Rajat 7 parts, total is 57 parts. So if you are going to solving total value, you will get an answer, but instead of that you will go for the option, it's a better 6. I am substituting here, and before that we'll simplify the values also. 4 6 and 4 5 and 4 4. Now we'll go for the options based. Look at the first option. 6 I am substituting. 6 6 36. 6 plus 3 9. 9 5 45. 45 plus 36 81. So 6 plus 6 12. 12 4 48. 48 is added to 81. You will get here the 147. The 149 is not divisible by 57. That means first option is what? Wrong. And look at 4 I am substituting here. Second option. 4 6 are 24. 4 plus 3, it is a 24. B option wise, it is a 24. And look at 4 plus 3, 7 7 5 is a 35. And next 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 10 into 4 40. Look at, so 30 plus 20, 50 plus 40, 90, 99 is not divisible. Total value 57. That means this option is also wrong. And check for the C. C I am substituting 3. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 plus 3 6 6 5 is 30. And next 3 plus 6 9, 9 4 is 36. 36 30 66. 66 plus 18, so 84. The 84 is not divisible by 57. Then option is C is wrong. And go for the D option. Look at here. 5 6 30 plus 5 plus 3 8, 8 5 40. And 5 plus 6 11, 11 4 44. What is the value? 30 plus 40, which is 70. 70 plus 44, which is equal to 114. 114 is completely divisible by what is the number? Total value 57. 57 double is 114. That means which option is correct? D option is correct. Then our option is 5. Go for the next question. The average grades of 360 employees was 45. Then total employees average value is 45. So qualified employees average value is 49. Non-qualified employees value is 25. Average. We'll take this method, mixture and allocation. 49 to 45. 4 difference. It is a 20 difference. It is a ratio is 5 is to 1. 5 plus 1 6 parts. 6 parts is equal 360, and 1 part is equal 60. 5 parts is equal to how many employees? How many employees done? Job done means qualified. Qualified is how many employees? 300. Option is C. Next, Jayesh and Gaurav complete the half of the part of work in 9 days and 12 days. So half of the part work in 9 and 12 days means full part is 8 and 24. So next, Vishal 20% is more efficient than Gaurav. So Vishal is 20% is more efficient than Gaurav. 20% is more efficient. That means it is a 12 is to 10. 12 is to 10 means 12 parts is equal to 24 means then 10 parts is equal to 20. Then this is the first person Jayesh, second person Gaurav, next Vishal. What is the question they are asking? Vishal and Jayesh completed total work is how many days? This is the total value is required. This is a x and y. 18 into 20. 18 plus 20, it is a 38. And 18 20, otherwise 2 10s are 2 19s are. And 18 into 10 180, 180 by 19, our option is D. Next, two trains A and B in a same direction. Train A crossed train B in 60 seconds and crossed a man standing beside a track 15 seconds. The train crosses a 15 seconds. Train A length is given. Train A length is 360 meters, which is crossed a person in 15 seconds. 15 to the 54. That means here the speed of the first train is 24, and both are in the same direction, same opposite direction, same direction, and 5 to 3. First train speed to second train speed is, so difference is 2 parts, but they're given a first train speed. First train speed is how many parts? 5. 5 parts is equal to 24. Then difference, both are going to crossing. 2 parts we required out of 5 parts. Both are crossing in a how many seconds? How many seconds they're crossing? 60. So, but before we are applying the original speed. Original speed is what? First train speed 24. 2 by 25 into 24. This is the total speed. Speed into time multiplied. It is a 60 seconds. Cancel the values. 5 12s are. So 12 2s are. 12 2s are 24. 24 24s are 576. This is a train L1. This is what? L1 plus L2. From L1 plus L2 of the length, L1 will be removed. We'll get a, what is the value? L2 value. To L2 value is how much? 216 meters. D is our option. Next, the ratio of income A and B is 25 is to 38. 25 and 38. Income of A increases 1000 and B increases 2000. Their income is 35 and 18. And it is a 20 parts decrease and 10 parts increase. 10 parts is equal to 1000 and 20 parts is equal to 2000. And 10 parts is equal to 1000 means 25 parts is equal to, here 0 0 cancel, it is a 2500. A income is how much rupees? 2500. A option. Next, in an institute, the ratio of boys and girls is 9 is to 11. When 100 boys are leave, the institute ratio becomes 7 is to 11. It is a 9 becomes 7 parts. 9 becomes 7 parts means how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 100. 1 part is equal to 50. Then how many girls are in the institute? So how many girls are in the institute means 11 parts. 11 into 50, it is equal to 550. Our option is E. Look at next. How many ways can a ladder of shaker can be arranged when all vowels are come together? Vowels come together. So here S, H, K, H, R. Vowels E and A come together. Now how many letters are there? 6 letters are there. 6 factorial, and EA can shuffle 2 factorial, and HH is repeated, is a 2 factorial. 6 factorial answer is what? 720. Our option is E. Next question. Here the cost price of an article is 1760 and allowing a discount 20%, but marked up price is, and market price as a market price, and getting an increase of profit 35%. Then this is a cost price. Cost price convert into selling price, it is a 135 by 100. From the selling price we are going to calculating a market price, which is after the discount it is a 80, but before discount it is what? 100. Now which is giving what is a market price value. Cancel the numbers here. So here the 100 cancel, here is 0 0 cancel, 8 2s are 8 2s are 22 into 135, 135 double 27, 27 11s are 2970. Our option is A. Next, the ratio of ages of father and his elder son is 5 years ago was 5 is to 1. Find the ages of father. Father age is required. If the ratio of age of elder son to younger son 5 years since would be 3 is to 2. Younger son has celebrated 7th birthday 2 years ago. 7th birthday 2 years ago means present is 9 years. This is a who is younger son. Then younger son 5 years hence will be value. They are given this ratio 5 years hence after, the ratio is 3 is to 2. Then present is 9 years means 5 years after 14, it is a 2 parts is equal 14, 3 parts is equal 21. This is as per the 5 years after first person to second, two children's value 21 and 14, but we need elder person value. Elder person value to father ratio is what? 5 is to 1. This 5 is to 1 ratio not present. This ratio of father and elder 5 years ago we required, but 21 years is 5 years after, but we need 5 years ago means his age is 11. One part is equal to 11, 5 parts is equal to 55. This ratio is belongs to 5 years ago means we need present age of the father 55 plus 5, his present age is 60 years. Option is C. Next, so we have a data based on the bar graph and line graph. We have to solve the question. Of course, somewhat calculation is more required for this question. Total number of children they given 5,800. Total number of children attending a school 3,600. Out of the students, how many members are attended? We need not attended members means 5,800 minus 3,600 we have to do as per the school's ratio wise. So look at here, percentage breakup number of children in a 5 different villages. Villages wise we have to separate it. Look at the question. Look at the first question. Here, what is the total number of children not attending from the village Q and S together? Not attending value is required. From attending value, from total value, attending value will be removed. We'll get a not attending value. Q and S. Q and S means Q value is 24% and S value 11%. 35% members out of 5,800. And this is the total members. Now Q and S 28% and 14%, 42%. 42% of 3,600. When you're doing this, we'll get a so not attending members by Q and S. 35% of 28. It is I am writing 70%. I am writing 29. So 7 9s are 63. 7 2s are 14. It is equal to 2030 minus. Here 42% of 3600, we can write 39 square minus 3 square. 39 minus 3 36, 39 plus 3 36. 39 square value 1521. From 1521 3 square value removed, you will get 1512. So 20 minus 15 5 and 30 minus 12 value is so 18. Then not attending members is 518. Our option is C. Next question 67. The number of children attending a school from P is approximately what percentage of the number of children from that village? So number of children attending school from P. P is 15%. 15% of 3,600. What percentage of number of children from that village? That village means how much percentage? 16. 16% of 5,800. We need percentage multiply with 100. So cancel the numbers to getting a overall approximate percentage. 4 4s are and 4 9s are. Here is 00. 00 will be cancelled. 15 9s are 135 by 58 4s are 232 into 100. Then in 232, 50% value is so 232 58 50% value is so what is the value? 114. So but we need 116, but we required what? 19 extra. The 19 extra 10% will take, will get 23, but we need 19. That means 50%, more than 50%, but less than 60%. Near to 60%, which option is available? So less than 60%, near to 60%, which option is available? 58%. Our option is E. Next. Question number is 68. What is the approximate average number of children not attending a school from village TRS together? So we require value for the together value TRS. TRS T 31%, 18%, 11%, 29, 29, 31. It is a 60. 60% of 5,800 minus. Here also we should add it. 21 plus 14 35, 35 plus 22 it is a 57. 57% of 3,600. We need average. Average means we can do by 3 and calculate simplify the values. Here 3 20s and 3 12s and 20 58 it is a 1160 minus 12 5s it is a 600. 12 7s 84. It is equal to 684. From 1160 minus 684 will be removed. We'll get a what is answer here? 476. Our option is A. Next. Question number 69. The number of children not attending school from village R and T is approximately what percentage of What percentage of total number of children from village are NT? So not attending members means how to calculate RNT. 18 plus 31, which is 49 percentage of 5800, minus RNT 21 plus it is a 43 percentage of 3600 by 49 percentage of 5800. This is, we should simplify. So 49 percentage of 5800 means 50 percentage minus 1 percentage. 50 percentage of 5800, 2900. From 2900, 58 will be removed. We will get 2842. 2842 minus 43 percentage of 3600, percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. Then we'll multiply 36 fours are 144. 1440. 36 threes are 108. It is equal to 1548 by 2842. So we need percentage. We need percentage means here is into 100, here is also into 100. We'll multiply. When you are applying the cancellation and total calculation, we'll get a final answer. The final answer should be here. How much percentage? Approximately 46 percentage. Next, what is the ratio of total children from village R to the number of children attending school from that village? Ratio of total children from village R. So 18 percentage of 5800 ratio to number of children attending school from that village. Attending school from means 21 percentage of 3600. We should simplify to getting an answer. Cancel the numbers here. 6 3s are and 6 6 are, and double zero will be cancelled. 3 2s are and 2 29s are. What is the final ratio? 29 is to 21. Our option is C. Next, there are 250 question in exam. Ram gets 3 marks for every correct answer and 0.5 marks for every wrong answer. If they attempted all the questions and scored 435 marks, find the number of questions attempted. Here he attempted X questions. Each question marks is 3. Remaining is how many questions? 250 minus X. This is purpose. He is getting a negative mark. The negative mark will be removed. Finally, he got how many marks? 435. This is the equation. We should solve this equation. Look at 0.5x. 0.5x minus into minus plus 0.5x is added to 3. It is a 3.5x. And 0.5 half of the 250 minus 125. Minus 125 it is goes to adding to 435. It is equal to 560. And 3.5 double value 7 8 ja. That means x is equal to, finally we'll get what is the value? 160. That means option is what? D. Next question. Here a bank offers an interest 10% annually, but we have to calculate for half yearly. Krishna invested 10,000 rupees. What is the total amount he will earn after 2 years? Half yearly means, so for 2 years 4 half years are there. So he invested 10,000 rupees. In 10,000 rupees, 5% we should calculate. Annually 10%, 5% value of 10,000 value is 500. 500 for how many half years? 4 half years. That means it is equal to how much rupees? 2000. And 5% and 500 means extra you will get 25 only. 25 for the 100. That means option is more than 10,000 but below is 13,000. Then below 13,000 and more than 10,000 means only one option is available. The option is what? B. Next, we have a quantity based questions, quantity 1 and quantity 2. Based on this you calculate. Look at quantity 1. A can do a piece of work in 4 days, B can do the same piece of work in 6 days, C is 20% more. Then quantity 1 we should calculate. A can complete a work in 4 days, B can complete a work in 6 days. Then C is 20% more efficient than B. So 20% more means 120 and 10, 10 and 120 here. So here value is what? 5. It will be completed in 5 days. Then quantity 1 we should calculate. 4 6 5. So 3 members are there, then how to calculate? XYZ by XY YZ XZ. So 4 6 are, so 4 into 6 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30. 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120, 120 by 20 plus 20, it is a 40, 74. 120 by 74. This is for quantity 1. Go for the next. Here P can do a piece of work in 15 days, Q can do a same piece of work in 22 days. Working together, number of days required. Quantity 2 we should calculate. Then X and Y. X and Y means 22 into 15 and 22 plus 15, which is equal to 37. And 22 15 ja 22 15 ja value is, so 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30, which is equal to 330 by 37. So here 74 is there, but here the 37 is there. Then 37 make the double, you will get 660. 660 is more than the 120. Then quantity 1 is smaller than the quantity 2. Then here option is what? B. Quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Next, here quantity 1. A train crosses a pole in 8 seconds, 200-meter long platform. Then 28 seconds. What is the speed of the train? In 8 seconds, person pole cross, and 28 seconds. That means 28. 28 we can write 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8. In 20 seconds it's crossing a 200 meters. 8 seconds is crossing a 80 meters. 80 by 8 means it is equal to 10 meter per second. Then train speed is 10 meter per second. Coming to the quantity 2, P can complete a work in 45. P and can together complete the same work in 18 days. So 45 into 18, 45 to 18 difference is what? 27. Will Q alone will be get it. Now cancel the numbers here. 9 3s are 9 2s are 3 15, 15 2s are 30. 30 is more than the 10. Then quantity 1 is less than the quantity 2. Option B. Question number 75. Area of rectangle is 270 centimeter square. Rectangle is 270 centimeter, but length to breadth difference is what? 3. Then 270 we can write here 18 15s. 15 10s are 150 and 15 8s are 120. 120 plus 150 270. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3. It's satisfied. But we need summation. 8 plus 15 is equal to what is the number? 33. Sum of the length and breadth. That is the first one. Quantity 2 66. They are given minus 66. We can write 33 2s. 33 2s minus 66. But we need minus 31. Minus 31 means we should apply here the minus, here the plus. But final factors wise, what we can write? Here the minus, here the plus. Plus 33 and minus 2. Plus 33 to plus 33 both are equal. Minus 2 is a smaller than the comparing to plus 33. Then we can write quantity 1 is greater than or equal to quantity 2. Then our option is what? C. Next, we have a data 76 to 80. We should solve this data to finding an answer. Look at the first one. What is the average of number of girls who participated cricket, football and volleyball? These are the sports, and this is a boys value and girls value we should calculate. And we need average. Average how many sports? 3 sports they are asking, and particular for girls they are asking cricket. Cricket is 4 plus 3 7 parts. 7 parts is equal 350. 1 part is equal 50. We need girls value 53 it is 150. Plus next football. Football value here 11 plus 9 20 parts. 20 parts is equal 400. 20 20s are 9 parts value, it is a 180. Next volleyball. Volleyball here is 7 plus 3 10. 10 parts is equal 250. 1 part is equal 25. 25 3s are 75. Average we need by 3. 3 50s are 3 60s are 3 25s are 50 plus 60 110. 110 plus 25 135. Our option is A. Next one, here the number of boys who participated in basketball is what percentage more or less than the number of who participated in volleyball? So basketball boys are required. Basketball boys. So look at 3 plus 2 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 425. 5 8 5 5. So 5 parts is equal to 425. 1 part is equal to 85, but we need 3 parts. 3 8 24 and 3 5 15, which is equal to 355. 355 basketball boys. And next, number of boys who participated in volleyball. Volleyball boys value is required 725. 725 value is 175. So 255 is more than the 175. How much more? How much more it is? 25 plus 55, 80 more. 80 by 175. We need percentage, multiply with 100. Here cancel with 25. 25 7s are 25 4s are 4 8s are 32. 320 by 7. 320 by 7 percentage. 7 4s are 28. 28 means remaining value is 40. 7 how many times? 7 5s are 35. Then which combination is 45 more than is there? 45 by 5 by 7 percentage. Then our option is B. Next. Question number 78. What is the difference between the number of girls who played volleyball? Girls volleyball is required. Look at here the girls value 3. 3 into 25 value 75. And next badminton boys value is required. Here 9 plus 16 25. 25 parts is equal 375 means 15 parts. 15 9 value is 135. 135 to 75 difference is how much? 60. Option is C. Next question. Question number 79. What is the ratio of average of number of boys who played football and cricket? Football value is 220, boys value plus cricket value is, it is a 4 parts, it is a 200 by 2 and ratio 2. Next we need girls gender value volleyball. Volleyball girls value is 3 parts, 325 is a 75 plus badminton here 16 16 15 ja 240 240 plus basketball here the 2 parts 2 into 85 it is a 175 by 3 and cancel the numbers 220 plus 200 it is a 420 by 2 and it is 240 plus 170 410 410 plus 75 it is a 485 by 3 and cancel the numbers here. So 2 to 420 it is a 210 5 4s are 5 2s are 5 9s are 45 5 7s are 3 into 42 126 then 126 is to 97 or option is D. Next, the sum of the number of boys who played volleyball badminton and football. So boys gender value is required. Volleyball value is 7 725 are 175 plus badminton boys value 9 into 15 15 9s are 135 and next football value football boys value 220 and 175 plus 125 which is equal to 300 but it is a 310 310 plus 220 530 our option is A.